Ever wished you could replicate a website you admire? Maybe as a backup or to get a head start on your own design? Today, we're diving into how to clone a website using Adobe Dreamweaver, a powerful tool for web development. First things first, create a new website. In Dreamweaver, head to the File menu, choose New, and select Site. In the Site Setup dialog, give your new project a descriptive site name and specify a local site folder. This is where your cloned website's files will live. The next step, fetching the existing website's files. You won't copy any copyrighted content, just the general framework. Find the URL of your inspiration website using your browser. Inspect the page to access the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files, or downloading what is available in your server. Store these files in your local site folder. Open Dreamweaver and click Files panel to organize the cloned files. You will need to modify absolute links, such as images, sources, or CSS files path to the relative. Now it's time to preview your website. You may see some initial rendering issues, like broken images or style discrepancies. Don't worry, that's normal. You might need to adjust some of your file paths. Focus on addressing broken links and styling inaccuracies, or refining the CSS files. Review the structure of the code and the file paths to ensure everything links up correctly. This might mean changing the image locations, making sure style sheets load correctly, and more. And that's it. Remember, cloning is about learning the framework and getting inspired at replicating copyrighted material. Now you have a solid foundation to build upon. Happy website building!